Welcome back to Starbase Wraps. Today we have a brand new 2026 Tesla Model Y, and we're going to be putting tint on all the windows minus the sunroof. We're going to do a 50% windshield, 20% front window, and we're going to put 70 over the factory 23. That way both of these windows are going to match perfectly. They'll both be 20%. All right, so this little tool is pretty neat. It's got a magnet so I can see the border of the window as I cut out the shape. This is from the Tinstitute, and it just works really good to make sure you cut the line right. So if I didn't have this, the interior piece kind of hangs over a little bit, so it's really easy to cut these Tesla Model Y rear windows short, but this thing's gonna make it super easy. So I'm just prepping this back window here. I just wanna point out the small little details. So you can probably see, that'll zoom in. Yeah, you can see some of that right there. So I scrubbed the window twice. So that's some adhesive residue right here. And then there's a little line. You can kind of see it right in here. So I'm gonna use some adhesive remover to kind of get those off. So I just used my tint strip, and we got those little adhesive lines off of there. So now I'm gonna scrub and squeegee and spray and squeegee again. That way this window will be perfectly clean. Here's another example right here. You can see this like black adhesive on here. I'm gonna have to razor that off. That's some really thick adhesive. Not really sure what that's from, but you can't really take these small windows for granted either. This is the rear quarter window. So I'm gonna go ahead and scrape that off and install the film. All right, it's a little bit late tonight, but I went ahead and put the 75% over the rear window. Just gotta put the door panels back on. So I got both rear doors done, the quarter panels done, and then we got the rear window done. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these trim pieces back on, and we'll do the front windows, the windshield, and the ceramic coating tomorrow. What's going on, guys? We're on day number 2. The customer dropped the car off yesterday evening, so we were able to get the rear window, the quarter windows, and the rear door windows. So today all we have left are the front door windows and the windshield. And of course, before we get started, we're gonna need America Pop Ghost. Let's go ahead and crack that so we can recharge, and we'll get this Tesla Model Y nice and ceramic tinted. There's 3 screws. There's one behind this reflector. I'm just gonna use a screwdriver, and you don't have to ramrod it in there. Just lightly tilt. See how I'm barely using any pressure? And it just pops right out. And then there is a T30 Torx bit, so we're gonna take that out. All right, it just comes right out. Put that right there. There's another one right under the window buttons. We'll go ahead and take that out. And then I'm gonna use my screwdriver for this one because the bit isn't quite long enough. Right in here. And then I'm gonna use my interior trim tool to pop all of the clips off. And I usually start in this corner. There's usually a nice gap right there. There we go. It's gonna sound violent, but trust me, nothing's broken. And I'm just running my hands under there. You can kind of hear it, just like that, right? Sounds violent. Again, it's not. I'll show you the door panel. There we go. Okay, so once you get to this point, you don't want to pull off because there's a plastic clip on the speaker. We don't want to break that off in there. So just gonna go ahead and pull it up here, and bam. So you get the camera in there so you can see none of the clips are broken, right? The camera clip's not broken. Taking like hundreds of these apart. Those little white plastic clips, they just go right into those little black circles right there. So super easy to remove. And the reason why I do this is because the tint slip can stain the interior, and we don't want to get water in these LED lights. So I'm going to take this seal off so we can tint past the seal. There we go. Okay. And we'll just slide that right over there. And then we don't want to just let this door panel hang down because that would create a lot of tension on the electrical panel. So I just use an S-clip just like that. All right, let's make sure that's planted in there. And then I'm going to put a towel over this. And let's see, we'll pop this off too. There we go. And then I'm going to use my screwdriver to trick the window to go all the way up. There we go. So now I can tint this whole window. We can tint nice and deep past the seal and make sure everything's sealed down and keep this door panel safe. So I'm going to put a towel over this real quick. That way. And everything nice and dry and clean. There we go. All right. And we're not gonna fire hose all over here, right? We're just spritzing the window to clean it and install the film. Like, we're not just going nuts with the water. So now that the inside of the door's prepped, I'm gonna go ahead and clean the outside of the window, cut the window, shrink the window film, and then we'll stick it on. All right, so I've got the Sharpie here on the film. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this straight. That way we're not hacking up rubber seals and cutting glass and all that stuff. I just kind of pull back on the tint, and then that kind of gets rid of any fingers that pop up, and then it prevents the tint from like folding over so you don't get uneven cut. It's like the same process on the pickup trucks. Like you just roll it down and pretty much just glide the knife over. I saw one of these on Facebook Marketplace for like $100. I was like, oh man, that's a good deal.
Oh, the glass?
Yeah.
Man.
So I gotta get it on the glass a little bit. There we go. Make sure everything's lined up. And then just sort of, oh good, okay. That could have been a lot worse. It'll stick to that top edge sometimes. There we go. Okay. Oh yeah, we're looking real good. And it was all because I prepped that. Otherwise it'd be like getting stuck and yep. Would have been a nightmare. And then I just do a soft pass with the soft squeegee. And then I'll usually just like go down the middle and then push it out. Overlapping, just making sure I don't leave any gaps or anything. Push it all down. The fingers will come up when the bottom edge isn't pushed down. Oh, okay. So like if you see it happen, don't freak out or anything. It's normal.
Yeah.
That down, seal that up. And right here I'm just shrinking the windshield. It's a process on the Model Y. It's not too bad, but it does require a little bit of effort. So we're just getting that all shrunk up. And why we're shrinking the window film is that Tesla windshields are extremely curved and window film's flat. So you have to shrink the film to get it to contour to the shape of the window. So that's what this process looks like right here. And here we are, we're just installing this windshield film, making sure it's all lined up. We're looking for any light gaps, and then once we're happy with it, we're going to go ahead and squeegee it down. I like to tack around the mirror first, then I'll use my tint brush to get it kind of in position. Then I'll do it soft pass squeegee, then a hard pass squeegee, and then we're good to go. All right, and we have this 2026 Tesla Model Y all tinted up. We did 75% over the factory tinted glass, So that's 75, that's 75. And then this is 20. So let's see if we can get a good angle. So it's perfectly matched. And then we got 50 on the windshield here. So that'll take the edge off in the summer and won't affect nighttime visibility. Then we've got 20 here and 75 here. We got it charging up for the customer with the Tesla mobile charger, or wall charger. And then when you come in, we have some tint safe invisible glass, personalized thank you card, premium Rag Company microfiber towel, Starbase Wraps air freshener, business card, aftercare instructions, and a QR code to register the lifetime warranty for this ceramic tint. And on the back window here, we are metering at 20% with 95.2% infrared heat rejection, 100% UV rejection. And we'll bring it over to the front glass here and see how we're looking. And we got about 93% infrared heat rejection and 18. So only a 2% difference. The human eye can't really tell, 5%. So if it's within 5% difference, the human eye can't really tell. So 2%, it's gonna look perfectly matched. And that's gonna do it for this video. This Model Y is gonna be ready for summer with this ceramic tint, 95% infrared heat rejection. So it's gonna be nice and cool this summer. And if you're in Las Vegas and you have a Tesla and you want paint protection film, vinyl wrap, ceramic window tint, ceramic coatings, or any detailing, reach out to me, Ben at starbasewraps.com. All my prices and services are on starbasewraps.com. My information's on there. I would love to make your Tesla look out of this world. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.